Hey, I'm Rochelle Croft from Expedition Overland and member of Team General Tire. Did you know that it's really important to stick to the factory size of your tires because there's many components of your vehicle that are specifically designed for that size? Though done properly, plus sizing can actually increase the performance of your vehicle. Most trucks, SUVs, and crossover vehicles have adequate clearance that will allow for a taller size tire to be used. This can help reduce fender well gap, increase ground clearance, and even provide a softer ride. A vehicle owner can also choose to increase tire width. Using a wider size while maintaining the same overall diameter is known as plus zero sizing. This results in a wider contact patch which provides better lateral grip, more grip on hard braking, less vehicle roll in corners, and offers an improved, low-profile cosmetic appearance. This type of change in tire size can also benefit trucks, SUVs, and crossover vehicles. To find out more information and to see more of these videos, visit generaltire.com.